You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
What's up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you are here because today is a very exciting day. We are doing our first garden harvest of the year, June 1st. I planted this garden early April, and it's already time to start harvesting. I was not expecting to harvest this soon, but we're here and we're gonna do it today. It's heating up pretty quick, so we're just gonna get right into it. I don't even know how much I have to harvest, but I am just so shocked. So if you want to see what I harvest from my small scale garden, just keep on watching. So when I'm harvesting or pruning anything in the garden, I like to make sure that I have a fresh, clean pair of pruning shears or pruners, whatever you want to call them, your gardening scissors. Clean them with some alcohol or soap and water. And I have this huge wooden tray. Hopefully we can fill this up. I don't know if it'll get full, but we'll see. We're gonna fill this baby up with vegetables from our small garden. So we're gonna start with the big things first, and then we'll harvest the smaller things and fill it in. Okay, so we've made it over to my garden bed and we have some cucumbers to harvest. I'm excited to show you guys how big these have grown. Look at that. I believe we have a good amount of peppers that we can harvest today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those off the vine. I came out here and they were actually falling off. So we're just gonna get those off as well. gardening is definitely hard work, so I'm just gonna take a little second, a little half time, because whew, I am out of breath. But I'm gonna have a little garden snack. This is a sun sugar tomato, and I definitely have myself some water, because you have got to stay hydrated out here, you guys. I'll have this water bottle linked in my description box. I love it so much. Let's do a taste test. Those are so good. They have like this like tangy, tarty sweetness to them. The sun sugar, they're really good. I really like those. Okay, so we still have a few things to harvest. We have a couple of cherry tomatoes. We have some herbs to harvest, and we have some flowers that I want to harvest. So we're gonna do that next. So that wraps it up for the tomato harvest. Those were my Juliet tomatoes, my sun sugar tomatoes, and my sun gold tomatoes, and the micro tomatoes. So let's get some pretty things. Let's get some flowers, and let's get some basil. I have a jar here that I want to put my basil in so that it stays fresher for a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm going to put some of the basil in here, and I'll probably put some in here. OMG, I am beyond pleased with the amount of vegetables that I harvested today. And this is just the first harvest. In a small space, you can harvest a ton of food. You can grow a ton of food. So let me show you guys what our harvest basket looks like. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at this. Tons of tomatoes, cucumbers, jalapenos, flowers. That is just unbelievable. Look at that. And a couple square feet of space. Look at what you can grow. And this is just the first harvest. You'll probably get this 10 times over again. Wow, wow, wow. We have basil, purple basil, sunflowers, marigolds. So that wraps it up for our first harvest of the year. I am so pleased. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you want to learn to grow in abundance in a small scale garden, make sure that you check out my new ebook. I'll have it linked in the description box below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.